Coding is an essential skill in today's digital world, and learning it can be an exciting journey. Start by choosing a programming language that aligns with your goals. Popular options include Python for beginners, JavaScript for web development, and Java for enterprise applications. Once you've picked a language, dive into the basics. Understand syntax, variables, and control structures. Practice consistently by working on small projects or coding challenges. As you progress, explore data structures like arrays, linked lists, and trees, which are crucial for efficient coding. Don't forget algorithms. Mastering sorting and searching algorithms will enhance your problem-solving skills. Join coding communities for support and collaboration. Finally, keep building your portfolio with real-world projects to showcase your skills. Embrace the learning process, and remember, every expert was once a beginner.